Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's April 30th. We're out here in the greenhouse, and today we're going to talk about my pineapple plants. Oh, an apple. What's that got to do with pineapples? Well, we're going to talk about it. Now, my pineapples, my last batch, they died last winter, well, the year before. And I said I wasn't going to grow anymore. But as you can see, I've got pineapple plants here. Now, one of these has actually setting its fruit. And my wife said I need to take that spider out of there, but I think it's not doing any harm, so we'll just let it stay. But this one is actually setting the pineapple, but the other two aren't. And none of mine last year set pineapples. So what we're going to do, and these are really in too small of pots, and hopefully it won't be long, we'll actually put them in the ground when we get our new greenhouse, which that's a project we'll touch on here pretty quick. But what we're going to do is we're just going to take a slice of this apple and we're going to stick it down in the center of both these other ones. And then we'll come back on an update later and you can see how this works. Okay, we've got us a couple of slices here of this apple. And we're going to just stick this right down in the middle of here. We're going to push it on down in there. And we're going to do the same thing with this one over here. We're just going to push it down into the middle of here. Now, this might seem silly, but what happens is the apple actually puts off a gas. And this gas is what stimulates a pineapple to bloom. So this is a way, if your pineapple's not producing fruit, and you want to stimulate it to go ahead, a good healthy plant, plenty of leaves on it, then just take a slice of apple, stick it in there, and it's going to cause it to bloom. Now I can say these ones aren't going to start blooming because they're not opening up their center leaves and laying back. And these have really had a rough time through the winter. I mean, I did keep them from freezing all the way. They did lose a few leaves, got damaged or something. But anyway, we're going to come back to this in a later video, and we're going to show how well this worked. But if you have pineapple plants and you're wanting pineapples, now I'm down here in 8B, which is a little warmer than some up north, but these would have froze if they were outside. They would have got the same situation as my others, but being in here, I did keep them alive. And if you can move them to a warm spot when it's going to freeze in the garage or something like that, if you're growing them in pots. But I do recommend bigger than these 2-gallon pots. They need to be at least in, say, a 7-gallon like this banana pup is. But anyway, that's all it is to it. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you want to see more, of course, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up and share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.